Hello and welcome to another edition of, I don't know what the hell we call this, but we're making a drink. So tonight I'm going to be doing Skittles. It's supposed to taste like Skittles, don't know which one, but you need vanilla flavored vodka, Mountain Dew, and maraschino cherries. All right, so we need about an ounce and a half of vanilla vodka. So we're just gonna, that's probably a little more than we need, but who's counting, right? Mountain Dew. That is a lot. It says 1 can. It's 1 can. Doesn't say how many cherries, so whatever you feel is right. Or for good measure. All right. Stir that around. Looks interesting. Cheers. It does taste like Skittles. Enjoy.